La ilaha illallah ni mo fi jẹ́ bùkátà bàbá wa gbọ́. La ilaha illallah ni mo fi jẹ́ bùkátà Olúwa bàbá wa gbọ́. La ilaha illallah ni mo fi jẹ́. La ilaha illallah.
Yamala, amala yóò ní kókó ma. Aláàtì wa lòdò ń dá wà, Allahu Akbar, olóògbé ọ̀sẹ̀ ká sí. Wọ́n àti
àgbẹ̀sẹ̀ láyé pẹ̀lú ọ̀run ẹ̀dá orí sí.
Ìyàwó tó ti yẹ ẹ̀dá orí sí.
Ìkàdí ni ẹni bá dáwọ́ sí ìkàdí ni.
Ìwọ̀n tó bá mọ̀ pé ní àṣẹ ìṣàgbára rẹ̀ ẹjá wọ́n àwọn tó gbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn àgbà ẹ̀yà gbogbo ní ọ̀pàá dada agbádùn àbá àgbádùn wọn nítorí àwọn afẹ́ gba orúkọ náà bàbá ẹjá wọ́n àwọn tó أنا جاء في أبوها ولا بأس أن أبوها محمد أمي تنجو ولا رجوما أمي تنجو ولا رجوما أولاني كي أمي أولا بأتوني كي أمي أجاريبا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد جاءكم رسول من انفسكم عزيز عليم.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. We thank Almighty Allah in the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, who has spared our life to this moment of Ramadan in the great month of Ramadan. So we thank Almighty Allah for His blessing upon every one of us. This is our annual program that we used to celebrate in the month of Ramadan yearly. Every year we used to organize this program in celebration of the greatness of the month, that month of Ramadan, which every Muslim must fast for the significance of the fasting in this honorable month. So this is about to gather with people in Islam to celebrate, to have prayer and to ask Allah for His mercy upon everyone in order to see the world in here and hereafter. So this is the program that will teach Muslims about this Islamic knowledge. People used to derive from this program how to worship Allah, how to do good, the pillars of Islam, and the importance of fasting in the month of Ramadan. So that is what we are doing every year in this program. So we thank Almighty Allah, and we want Allah, we wish from Allah His beneficence, His favor upon every Muslim. Thank you. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I, Al-Imam Muhammad Jamiu Ibrahim from Nigeria, I'm an Imam in the Central Mosque of Nurul Huda in Ikashi, Ogun State, Ogun State, Nigeria. So we used to preach Islamic knowledge, Islamic way of life to the people. We thank Allah for this thing.